In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailchimp landing page efficiently and effectively. Whether you're looking to capture leads, drive traffic to your website, or announce an event, Mailchimp's landing page creator is a powerful tool that can help you meet your marketing goals. So let's dive right in and get started on creating a landing page that resonates with your audience. The first step in this journey is to sign into your Mailchimp account. Head over to Mailchimp's login page. Here you'll be prompted to enter your username or email and password. Take a moment to type in your details accurately. Once you've entered your login credentials, go ahead and click on the login button to access your Mailchimp dashboard. If you're new to Mailchimp, consider signing up for an account first and then follow along with these steps. Once you're successfully logged in, you're ready to start the creation process. Navigate to the home page of your Mailchimp dashboard. Look for the Create button, which usually sits prominently on the dashboard. Clicking on this button will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll see various options. Among these options, find and click on Build Landing Page. This action cues Mailchimp to understand that you're primed to begin crafting your custom landing page. Next, you'll be prompted to give your landing page a name. Choosing a descriptive name can help you stay organized, especially if you plan to create multiple landing pages over time. After naming your landing page, click on the Begin button to proceed. Mailchimp offers a variety of templates to kickstart your landing page design. For our tutorial, we'll focus on the lead generation template as it's a versatile choice suited for various goals. Once you find the lead generation template, or any template of your preference, select it by clicking on it. You'll then need to accept Mailchimp's terms of use by clicking on I accept. Now let's personalize your landing page. Click on blocks to add different types of content to your page, such as text, images, or buttons. Mailchimp's drag and drop editor makes it simple to customize the layout to your liking. Once you've added your content blocks, click on Style to adjust the look and feel of your landing page. Here you can modify colors, fonts, and more to align with your brand's aesthetic. Editing specific sections is just as straightforward. Click on Page to adjust your page settings, Header to tweak the top section of your landing page, Body to modify the main content area, and Footer to edit the bottom part of your page. Mailchimp also allows you to tailor the mobile experience by selecting Mobile Styles, ensuring your landing page looks great on any device. Another feature you might consider is the notification bar, which can be used to display important announcements at the top of your page. Additionally, adjusting the visibility of the Mailchimp badge is possible. However, depending on your subscription plan, you might be required to keep it visible. Before finalizing your landing page, it's crucial to preview your work. Click on Preview to see how your page will appear to visitors. This is your opportunity to make any final adjustments. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click on Save and Close. Congratulations! You've now created a landing page with Mailchimp. Creating a compelling landing page in Mailchimp is straightforward if you follow these steps. Remember, the key to a successful landing page lies not just in its visual appeal, but also in its relevance and value to your target audience. Feel free to experiment with different templates and layouts until you find what works best for your campaign. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to create a Mailchimp landing page. I hope this guide has demystified the process and sparked some ideas for your next marketing project. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Happy marketing!